Hello everyone, good evening. Welcome back to my channel V2V Vision to Victory. Guys, today I'm going to discuss 20 most important questions for quantitative aptitude for your IBPS prelims examination. So out of these 220 questions, guys, I'm going to take 5 questions from number series concept and remaining 15 pure arithmetic based questions. So all are comes under miscellaneous part. So we'll discuss each and every question along with the concept. So be faster in the calculation. If you want to crack any specific examination, remember guys, calculation plays most important key role. So without any delay, let's start our session. Guys, just share this information to your friends who are preparing for different examinations. Definitely our videos will going to help their preparation. See, here the question number 1 related to the number series. Just find which number is missing and you should replace with the question mark. And try to solve all these questions, guys. Post your answers in the comment section. I will check your comments. Guys, remember, if you want to solve any number series question, if numbers are nearer, just find the difference. If numbers are suddenly increases, just find the logic in terms of multiplication. Now see here the numbers. See here the numbers are given as 14. Next number is 114, 235. So what is the number we have to replace? And next number is 548 and 744. Guys, if numbers are nearer to the another number, just simply find the difference. See, if you find the difference, you can see this number is 100. While the next difference must be 121. While seeing these two differences, you can be able to understand that these numbers are perfect square numbers. 10 square, 11 square, and next number pakka 12 square. 12 square value become 144. Just add 144 to 235, it becomes resultant. So here the answer is 379 is the missing number. Hope it's clear. Let's move to the next question. Guys, everyone just share this information to your friends. Just inform to your friends live session is started. So definitely our videos will help your preparation part. See the next number here. It's a 311, 187. So what is the next number? 98, 91 and 91. Guys, again see decreasing in order and each and every number is nearer to the other number. Simply find the differences and identify the logic. Now see, you can see the difference here 0. Here you can see this difference is 7. Now guys, 0 means 7. Both are nearer to the perfect cube numbers. So you can take in this way, 2 cube minus of 1. So this is 1 cube minus 1. So what about the next difference? See, here the next difference must be, see, here next difference must be 3 cube minus 1. Here the difference must be 4 cube minus 1. Here difference must be 5 cube minus 1. If you see the difference, you will get this value is 120. 4 units. So definitely see this is 5 cube minus 1. This is definitely 4 cube minus 1. It's 63. You should add 63 units. It become your result. Now guys, you have to decrease all these numbers. Hope it's clear. So next number must be, it's a 26 units. After subtraction 26 units, you will get 98. Now what can be the missing number? See, 187, just subtracted 63 units. Here 4 units and here total value is equal to 124 units. Hope it's clear. It's none of these. You can choose your option is none of these. If you subtracted 26 units from 124, it becomes 98. Then you can able to understand the pattern. Move on to the next question. See the next numbers here, 69, 131, 23, 351. What can be the next difference? Means what can be the number? And last number is 739. Now again, just find the difference here. So here, if you go through the calculation here, if you add plus 1, it's a 70 and we have 61 units extra, total value becomes 62. Just find the difference, it becomes 62. Now see the next number here, it's a difference of 92. So what can be the next difference here? 351 and 223. If you find the difference, 11 minus 3, 8, 4 minus 2, 2, it's a 128. Again, if you find the one more difference, you can get the logic here. So it's a difference of 30 units, it's a difference of 36 units. So what can be the next difference here? So 30, 36, and if you're assuming that it's a common difference of 6, maybe it's a 62, maybe it's a part of even numbers. So there are many different approaches, guys. So try to identify perfect answer according to the option. If it is not, then you can take next difference is the 8. If it is a wrong, again, it's 6 multiple. There are many different patterns. See, 128 and 42 total difference is exactly equal to 170. If you add 170 to the 351, you can see that option is 421. Guys, if you can't see that of 121, then maybe the difference goes for 8, 6, 8. If it is a wrong, then 6 and 12, it is a part of 6 multiples. So you have to change your logic based on the option. Next. So what can be the next number here? 13.4, 14.1. What is the next number? 14.8, and it's a 12, 15.5. See, you can able to identify that it is increasing 3.5, but it is decreasing minus of 2.8. Now guys, see, definitely it is increasing, definitely it is a decreasing. So we should identify that how much value we are adding. So it's an increasing of 0.7 units. Now see, you have to subtract 1.4. You can able to understand this is 7 multiple logic. 0.7, 14, and next number must be 2.1. And next you have to subtract it minus 2.8, you will get 12. Now see, 14.1 minus of 1.4 becomes your answer. So 11 minus 4 is equal to 7. Its value becomes 12.7. You have to choose your option. Next. Question number 5. Now see, 412 becomes 256 is exactly divisible by 2. Now what I understand that, see, if 8 becomes 1 by 2, it is exactly divisible by 16. Definitely this is exactly divisible by 32. 1 by 2 again divisible by 32, it becomes 1 by 64. Now you have to take this value is divisible by 4 and next number is divisible by 8. Now 256 which is divisible by 4. Now it becomes your resultant. Is it clear? Now see, 256 is divisible by 4. It's exactly 64. Again 64 is divisible by 8. It becomes 8. You can't see that option. Choose your option is none of this. S. On to the next one. Miscellaneous questions. Now, just go through these question, guys. In a school, the ratio of number of boys to the girls is 3, 7, 8 is to 5. So, they given as number of boys to the girls. Is you can take 8x or 5x, or based on the calculation, you can take 80 or you can take 800. See, whatever that ratio means, it's a part of any number which is x is the common multiple. You can take 80, 50, you can take 800, 500 based on the calculation. Now, out of total girls, 20% are part of school sports team, with 75% is less than the number of boys who are part of school sports team. Guys, my suggestion, it's involved 20% and 75%. Instead of 8x, you can take 80x. Instead of 5x, you can take 50x. If you cancel that number, again, you will get 8 is to 5 ratio, guys. Now just read this information. First, see, we have a number of boys is 8x and girls are 50x. They clearly mention that out of total girls, how many total girls are there? 50x. Out of total girls who are part of a school team is 20%. 20% of 50x is exactly equal to 80x. Who is not a team means exactly equal to 40x. Hope it's clear. Now, which is always compared with a girls team. So girls sports, which is part, is exactly equal to 10x. Now see here, which is 75%, guys. This is 75% less. 75% is less when compared to the number of boys who are part of school sports team. Who are part of school sports team. Now just go through this comparison properly. 75% is less means if you're assuming that these are the 100 members are participated in boys, which is 75% less means it's a 25 members only. If you cancel, here the respect to ratio is 4:1. Means if one girl is participated, 4 boys are participated. Now how many girls are participated here? 10x. Now how many boys are participated? Out of 80x, 40x are participated. Now 40x are boys who are participated, 40x who are not participated. Now just go through the question now. Now the question, find the ratio of number of boys and girls who are not part of school sports team. Boys 40x, girls is also 40x. Now the respect to ratio become 1:1. On to the next question. Now see this question from partnership concept. A and B started business by investing x plus 400, x plus 800, x minus 400 respectively. So there is a change after 4 months. A increased his investment 25%. B decreased his investment 25%. If the ratio of annual profit of A and B is 2:1, find the starting investment of A and B together. Guys, after 4 months, there is a changes in their investment. One person is increases 25%, another one is decreasing 25%. And you know the 25% value. 25% means try to convert your investment value as part of 4 multiple. Then you can save your time in the calculation. Let us assume, let me tell you, let us assume x is equal to 4a. Just replace in this way. Initial investment of A, initial investment of B is exactly equal to 4a plus 800. So this person investment is 4a minus 400. So this is one calculation. Guys, after 4 months, A increased his investment. Guys, after 4 months, there is a change in both their investment. Let us take in this way. So both the duration, let me take at 12 months. Now see, after certain duration, means after 4 months, the person is not there in the first 4 months. A increases investment by 25%. Now see, now he is investing 25% more. We already taken these data for 12 months, right? So 25% value become exactly equal to A plus. Why? Because 1/4 of that value, 200. And they clearly mentioned that these investment was not there for first 4 months. So you have to take for 8 months. Next one, another person decreasing their investment. So it is increasing, now it is decreasing. So A minus 100. Now this value is for only for 8 months. Now try to identify that what is the respect to ratio of profit. You can cancel here. 4 2s are 4 3s are. So go through the calculation here. So 3 4s are 12a, 2a. So 12a plus 2a is equal to 14a. Plus 8 3s are 2400 and 2 2s are 400. Total value become 2800. So other person data he is 12a minus 2a is exactly equal to 10a. Minus of 1200. So you have to take minus of minus is plus, again plus 200. So it's a value of 1000. Hope it's clear. Now the respect to ratio of their shares is exactly equal to 2:1. It's a ratio of 2:1. Just cross multiply them. You will get the answer. So final equation 14a plus 2800 is exactly equal to 20a minus 2000. Now here the value become 6a is exactly equal to 4800. Then you will get a is equal to 800. If a is equal to 800, x value become 3200. Now the question, what is the a plus b together? X plus x 2x, c 2x plus 400. So final value become 4800 plus 400. Hope it's clear. Sorry, 3200, right? So here 3200 means 6400 plus 400 is 6800. Hope it's clear. Try to learn multiple method, guys. You can save your time. Instead of taking x is equal to 4a, if you go with a normal approach, definitely you will get the answer, but it takes time. You have to save your time in every question. You can use that time into the other difficulty questions. That's it. That's my solution. See the next question from boats and sims concept. The ratio of speed of boat A and B, still water. Speeds of both speeds is exactly equal to 16:9 units. The speed of current is 25%. 25% is speed of current. 25% means 1/4 of that speed. 1/4 of speed is exactly equal to 4x. Let us assume it's a 16x and 9x. Now the question, a boat takes 8.5 hours. They clearly mentioned that 8.5 hours of time. Speed is equal to distance by time, right? So they travel 680. So distance is exactly equal to 680 kilometers. Downstream. See, downstream means boat travel along the stream. And they clearly mention that the information related for boat here. So traveling downstream means boat travel along the stream. Along the stream is exactly equal to 20x. We have whole data, right? So here 20x is exactly equal to 680 divided by 8.5 can be taken as 85 divided by 10. Then 10 goes for numerator. So 17 fives, 17 40s, right? So 5 twos. Again, it is a 2 times. You will get x is equal to 4. You will get 1 data. Another question. Find the time taken by boat travel 90 kilometers upstream. Upstream means again is the stream. And 650 downstream along the stream. Now they clearly mention the question related for boat B. Boat B. 9x and 4x here. How much of difference here? 9x and 4x difference is exactly equal to 5x. And 9x plus 4x difference is exactly equal to 13x. You already know the x value, just replace it here. It's a value of 20. It's a value of 13 into 4. Why? Because you can able to see the cancellation here. So 1350. Now you can see the nothing is common, right? So you plus with 13x. So 13x. Now see finally 90 by 20, 50 by 40. So you know that already denominator carries 20. It become 90. 5 5 is the 150. So sum of those values exactly equal to 240 by 20. It takes exactly 12 hours. Is it clear, guys? Give me a second. I made a mistake in the calculation. So it's a 5 5 is a 250, right? 250 plus 90 is exactly equal to 340 by 20. It takes 170 hours. It's a 70. Question number 9. Be faster. Try to understand the information. See, the average quantity of grain consumed by 24 adults and a certain number of children in a party, 32 kg and 18 kg. If the average quantity of grain consumed by all the people is 22.8 kg. Guys, if you have individual data and grouping data, so you can solve all these kind of questions from the concept of irrigation mixers. That is better, and then you can save your time. If you go through the conventional method, definitely takes a time. Now see, the average quantity of grain of 24 adults and certain number of children, 32 kg and 18 kg. They clearly mention that all are together, they are taking 22.8. Separation of those mixer is a concept of irrigation. Together is a concept of mixer. Guys, remember that. So here 24 means difference of 22.8 and 18. X means 22.8 and 32 difference. Just find the difference. 24 by x is exactly equal to 22.8 minus of 18. Directly find the difference. Avoid this step. For better understanding only, I am taking this step only. So how much of difference you get? You can see it's a 4.8 units. How much of difference you can able to see here? It's exactly equal to 9.2 units. So if you cancel the decimals exactly 2 times, then x value become 48. Hope it's clear. Just try to understand how we are applying the concept of irrigation mixers here. Sorry. It's a 24 twos to 46. Next. Go through the next question. Guys, keep support our channel and share this information to your friends. If you support our channel, definitely that gives me boosting to create a new content for your preparation part. Just share this information to your friends. I'm doing all this content for many couple of years. I'm expecting support from your end. Just subscribe and like our video. So definitely I will go the best content for your all competitive examination. You will get the content for all the competitive examinations. That's a promise from mine. I will share this information in my Telegram. You can download this material. Again, you can see all the content for your. You can recheck your concepts, recheck your calculations also. Don't worry. I will provide the information in Telegram. At the end of the session, I will tell you the Telegram channel name also. You can download from there. And I'm expecting only support from your end. So, move on to the next question. ABC start a business. ABC start a business with investment of 3,600, 4,500, and 2,700. My suggestion, guys, you just cancel the values, convert it into the values. 9 fours, 9 fives, 9 threes. It's a respective ratio of 4 units, 5 units, 3 units. After 9 months, AB added 900, 1800. Guys, here again it is 1 unit and here 2 units with their initial investment. And C also doing some withdraw. It's an investment of 1 unit from initial investment. So there is a changes in ABC. My suggestion, maintain all these values for this 12 months. Now there is a change. What is the change? You can see A invested 1 unit after how many months? 9 months. So left with only 3 months, right? Next one, B invested 2 units for 3 months and C invested withdraw 1 unit from 3 months. Guys, AB is adding and C is withdrawing. Now just go through the cancellation here. 3 ones, 3 ones, 3 ones. Again, it's a 4 times and 4 times and 4 times. Just finally, 4 fours are 16 plus 1 is equal to 17 units. 5 fours are 20 plus 2 is equal to 22 units. 3 fours are 12 minus 1 is equal to 11 units. Now, if you go through the entire calculation, see what is the total profit? Sum of all these values. What is the sum of all these values here? Exactly equal to 40 units, right? 22, 33. Sorry, it's a 50 units. So total invest means total. If you get total profit is 50 units, A will get 17 units, B will get 22 units, and C will get 11 units. Now 50 units become 17,500. Now try to identify that what is the each unit value. See here. So 5 threes, 5 fives, 5 zeros. It's exactly 350 times. Now the question, what is the difference of profits received by NC? What is the AC difference? 6 units. 6 is multiplied by 3,000, sorry, 350, it becomes 2,000. That's your value. Next. See this question from simple interest concept. See, son distributed 96,000 between two sons A and B, whose present ages are 5 years and 8 years. There is an amount. So how much of principal here? 96,000. So he was distributed two sons. Here son 1 and son 2. Let us assume my values. I just took it, these values 100x. Another value is 100y. Now their respective ages is 5 years and 8 years. But they can receive some when they attain age of 20 years. So he will get some after 15 years. He will get some after 12 years. Till then, the sum to given AB invested at 8% per annum and 5% per annum. See, one person will get 8% per annum, another person get 5% per annum. Guys, see, if you take here the principal, this is the rate of interest. How much interest you will get here? So 15 is multiplied by 8%. So it's that person get 120x as a interest. So another person get 60y as a interest. They clearly mentioned that at the end they will get their simple interest of both the sum is equal. Not 120x is exactly equal to 60y. Now you will get x by y value become exactly equal to 1 by 2. If you get is 1 by 2, definitely the respective ratio of their principal must be 1:2. It means if I have a 3 rupees, 1 rupee invested here and 2 rupees invested here. Now 3 become 96,000 means each unity's value is exactly equal to 32,000. Now question here. What is the sum given to B? So what is the sum given to B here? Means it's a second person. So second person value become 32,000 is multiplied by 2. It becomes 64. Try to understand the question, then you can simplify whole theoretical data. See one more question from partnership concept here. We're simplifying this way. We have a calculation in 20%. 20% means 1/5 of value. Try to take investment of ABC. Investment of ABC is 60 units here, 75 units here, 90 units here. Here, after 6 months, BC withdraw. Here, all the persons are not at all changing their investment. Only 2 persons. Go with the conventional method. Now, first person, see, after 6 months. After 6 months means first 6 months, B maintained 75 units. But now they withdraw 1/5 of amount. If we withdraw 1/5 of amount, now it left with the 60 units. Now, same way, first 6 months, they will maintain 90 units. After, see, after 6 months, again, 1/5 of the amount is withdrawn. So, left with only 72 units for remaining duration. And there is no changes in A investment. So, A's duration must be 12. No, you will get the profit. Why? Because profit is completely based on how much they are invested with the respective time period. These two parameters decided any person's profit. Now go through the calculation here. 2 units and 6 is the common. You can directly cancel it. Now go through this next one. See, here you will get 120 units. Otherwise, you can cancel the number. You can see there is a 320s, 325s, 320s, 330s, 3 2s, 3 3s. So finally, you will get here 40 units. Here you will get 45 units. So 23 3s, 69. Sorry, it's you should add, right? So it's exactly equal to 53. Now see, add all these values, you will get the total profit here. 40, 85, 85 plus 50, 135 and 130. 130. Let me check with all the calculations. 20. Yeah. Let me check this calculation. 330 is a 3 to the 3 3 53, right? So you will get 138. Am I done anything wrong here? Sorry, it's 3/4, right? Sorry for this. It's 24 units, right? So definitely this is 54. Now you will get 139. 139 become 270, means 27,800. If you go through the cancellation, you will get each unit is equal to 200. Now what is the annual share by B? Is exactly equal to 9,000. Question number 13. Aman sold 3 candies ABC. 65 rupees. If selling price of A is exceeds by B 10 rupees and N is again compare with A data only, selling it 50% is less than the A's value. C is 50% is less than the A. Let us assume A value is equal to 2x. Definitely C value is 50% is less. It's a x. And according to the comparison, A's data is more than B's data by 10 rupees. So B is less than A by 10 units. If you go through the calculation, you will get 5x is exactly equal to, so 2x and x. If you add that value, it becomes 75. Then what about x value here? Now the question here, what is the selling price of C? C value is x value is 50. It's a simple question. See the next question here from time and work concept. A can complete the piece of work in 15 days. B alone then can complete it 50% of same work in 10 days. 50% is 10 days. Definitely full work is 20 units. Now total work is 60 units. A per day efficiency is 4 units. B per day efficiency is 3 units. Now the question here, if they start work together and work together for 4 days, If both are work together, they completed 7 units. If they work for 4 days, this is efficiency, right? So they completed 28 units. See, out of 60, they completed 28 units, means 32 units is remaining work. Now they clearly mentioned that after 4 days, B left the work, then how much time does A need to finish the remaining work? And you know that per day they completed 4 units for 32 units. A takes how much of time? Simple one, it's 8 days. It's a very basic question. Guys, just try this question. It's a concept from the number system. Just go through these data, try to understand the information, and post your answer in the comment section, guys. Next question number 16. Again, it's from allegation mixers concept. A shopkeeper bought 2 types of oils, O1 and O2. O1, O2. What about the cost price here? 120 per liter, 150 per liter. He mixed the oil 2 types and bought by him and sold the resultant mixer. So sell it for 169. If we sell it for whole mixer at 169, they will make a profit of 30%. As you already know that 30% means 3 by 10. It means if cost to price is 10 units, they will get a profit of 3 units. Definitely selling price must be 13. Now see, if 13 units is 169, then each unit is 13 units. Now what about the cost price here? 130. Now you will get the data related for individual quantity 120 and 150, and together mixer value is 130. Now the question, what about O1 and O2? So here difference of these two is exactly equal to 20. Difference become 10. So respect to ratio become 2:2. Question number 17. Guys, see this question. Guys, if you understand the basic procedure in uh, profit and loss concept, you can save your time. Let me tell you how you can solve these kind of questions. An article marked at 1280 above cost price and sold it after giving a discount. See, concept of discount is deals with the selling price and market price. Now see, if the article is sold it for 40 rupees more, they will get a profit. So here the profit, concept of profit is deals with the cost to price and selling price. Now if you observe that, you can start your question from here. 75% value become 3 by 4. Let us take this data in this way. Cost to price, selling price. And selling price of that article, see, cost to price of that article is exactly equal to 3x. Definitely selling price is 7x. Why? Because it's a 3 units of profit, right? Now they clearly mention that, see, if increasing of cost to price become market price. So how much of market price now? According to this data, sorry, cost price is 4x, right? Okay, according to this data, this value become 4x plus 1280. They clearly mention that they are allowing a discount of 20%. If allowing a discount of 20%, what about the selling price? Selling price become exactly equal to 80%, means 4 by 5th of 4x plus 1280. And here you already know that here selling price is 7x. Try to equate it and you will get the x value. So 4 is multiplied by 1280 is exactly equal to 35x. Now, how much of difference you will get? 35 and 15. It's a value. 16 is 19. 1280. Guys, I just made one mistake. Sorry, it's an increasing by 40 units, right? So plus 40 is multiplied by 5. Now it is added to the 1200. Now see total value 4800, 320, and 200. So finally here 19x become 5320. If we cancel it here, 19 ones are 19, 19 twos, 19 eights. So answer 280. Now the question here, find the market price of article. So market price of article is 4x plus 1280. So 4 is multiplied by 280. It's 1120, 1280. Hope you understand the concept, guys. See, one question from Mazes. 6 Years hence from now, sum of the ages of x and y will be 64 years. So present age of x is x and y is y. 6 years from now, 6 years hence. What is the value here? X plus y plus 12 is exactly equal to 64. What about the sum of their ages x plus y? Present age is exactly equal to 52, right? Why? Because after adding 12 units, it becomes 64. 4 years hence from now, ratio is become x plus 4. X plus 4, y plus 4, ratio become 2:1. Cross multiply it. So you will get x minus 2y, like x is equal to 2y. You will get all these value. 4 years from now, x plus 4, y plus 4, cross multiply it, you will get this value become 8. Just replace C. X plus y is equal to 52, right? X plus y is equal to 52. Then x value become 52 minus 5. Just replace here. 2y. And you will get here 3y, right? If you get 3y, 52 plus 4, 56 minus of 8. 3y is exactly equal to 48. You will get y is equal to 16. Now the question, what is the present age of y? It's a 16 years. The next question. Pipe P, pipe Q, fill the tank in 7 hours, 15 hours. Pipe R can empty that 10 hours. Guys, it's an empty tank. Empty pipe. So what is LCM of 7, 15 and 10? See, yeah, 15 and 10 you can take 30. Common multiple, 30 and 7 common multiple is 210. Total tank capacity is 210 units. P delivers 30 units. Q delivers 14 units. R emptied exactly 20 units. Now they clearly mentioned that if all the given 3 pipes are open together when tank was empty and find the time taken to fill. We need to fill 210 units of tank. Now if all are work together, PQ together, they delivered 44 units, right? It emptied 21 units. So total you will get only 23 units of filled pipe. So what is the total value here? 23 nines, 207. Remainder is 3, 320. See this question? See here, length of the each side of a square is equal to the height of the cone. Height of the cone. Height of the cone and radius of the cone. Now the question, if the perimeter of square is 4 times of sides, is exactly equal to 48. Now what about the side? Side is exactly equal to 12 units. If side is 12, definitely height is exactly equal to 12 and radius is given as 5. What about the volume formula, guys? I will tell you how to remember few different formulas. And you already know that volume is completely based on area into height. If you take this cylindrical shape, now what is the area here? Area of circle is pi r square and height is h. So that's a volume formula. But if you cut the cylinder into this particular shape, see total whatever the volume is divided into 3 respective units. But we want only cone shape, right? So cone should be occupy how much of volume? 1/3 of pi r square h. So try to remember in this way, then you can save your time. Now 1/3 pi value assume as 3 according to this data. Radius is 5, pi square is equal to 25. Height is already finding that value. So finally 25 times 250, 25 to 50. The total value becomes 3. Hope it's clear. So these are the 20 different questions. Definitely these questions will help you in IBPS prelims examination, guys. Just go through this data. I will this PDF in my Telegram. Guys, simply search in this way at the rate of V2VVK. You can get my channel Vision to Victory and you can download, you can access all these content from this Telegram channel only. Just share this information to your friends and support our channel and subscribe. And I will give best content for your preparation. So I'm going to deal with the both quantitative aptitude and logical reasoning. So I will update all this information in my Telegram. Just downloaded it. If you have any questions, you can reach me through either Instagram or Telegram. See, whatever the social network, simply search Vision to Victory. You can get my channel and you can easily access content and you can ping me if you have any queries. So that's it from today's session, guys. I will update this PDF after this session along with the solution also. Just share. So only one thing, just share this information to your friends. That's it. Just support our channel. Definitely, I will give best content, guys. So that's it. Until the next session, have a nice day. Good night, guys.